What to eat tonight? AI 852 Cooking Guide. This Chinese dessert, steamed milk custard, is a delicious and simple treat with ingredients that are typically found in most household refrigerators. Ingredients needed: egg whites, whole milk, rock sugar. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Heat a portion of the milk until warm, but not boiling. Then add the crushed rock sugar and stir until dissolved. Allow the remaining milk to cool down. Step 2. Whip the egg whites. Beat the egg whites until foamy, then slowly pour the milk into the egg whites while stirring to ensure even mixing. Step 3. Strain the mixture. Strain the mixture once to ensure the egg whites and milk are fully combined, then skim off any surface bubbles with a spoon. Step 4. Steaming. Cover with aluminum foil and steam over medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until the custard sets. Done. Taste review. The fragrant milk flavor and smooth texture will leave you craving more. Enjoy it warm in winter or chilled in summer for two completely different delightful experiences. Tip: after steaming, let the custard cool slightly before refrigerating for an even smoother texture when served cold.